So now that Mother's Day is approaching soon and we're sort of living in this new norm, I started to think what would be a really great Mother's Day gift that I could offer to all of you that would be relevant to the time, would be really appreciated, and would solve a problem. So I decided that I thought a gift of a brush set would really be the ideal gift. And I'll tell you why. So I compare it to, you go to a restaurant where you're allowed to bring your own bottle and it's a BYOB. Well, I feel like it's now the time where we're going to be a BYOB, bring our own brushes. Whether we're having a makeup artist do our makeup for a special event, whether we're going to even try a product at our local hair salon that promised to have everything totally sanitized, I still would bring my own brush, scrape the product onto a disposable plate, and then use your own brush and apply it from there. So the purpose right now for this video, though, is that I am going to show you very quickly how to use the different brushes that are in the kit. And to start with, we're going to use one of my favorite brushes, which is a precision powder brush. And the reason I love this brush is because it's a stipple type brush. And you can see the thinner hairs on top. What they will do is they will pick up the color of the product, and then the lower thicker part will blend them in. So I usually take my foundation and I squeeze a little bit on my hand. I spread it out so that it's not in a lump. I pick the color up with my brush, and then in sort of a circular motion, I apply it all over my face. And that ends up giving more like an airbrushed finish. It really works quite well. By the way, all our brushes are made in the United States. Yay. Anyway, the next brush that I'm going to use is a concealer brush. And I love a concealer brush because it can get right into that inner corner where with your fingers sometimes it can't. So I take the color of the concealer, again, dab it onto my hand, take the brush with the product off of my hand, and then I apply it coming in all the way into that inner corner, right in here, almost make like a triangle with the concealer, and then pat it in with my hands or with a dampened sponge. The next brush we're going to use, we're going to start with our brows for the eyes. So if you're using brush on brow, if you're using a brow balm, you need a really good brush to apply it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this brow brush for shaping the eyebrows. And I love it so much better than the brushes that you get in the kit, the brow kit, because some of those are so stiff and the handles are so small you can barely use them. So this works out quite well. And the next thing we're going to use, I see all this sun coming here. It's actually quite lovely here. I'm in Florida at my condo, so I hope that doesn't affect the video. I'll move back a little bit and see if that's better. Yeah, maybe that's a little bit better. Okay, so we're going to take this next brush, which is the blender brush. And this, if you can see it, the sunlight there. Okay, I'm not complaining about the sunlight. I'm just kind of trying to see how to show you the brush. Okay, so that's the blender brush. This is a great brush to go on the bone of the eye all the way up here. So I'll take sort of a lightish color. Here's a tip. When you lean your head back, you will see the natural contour where your lid ends. Some of you who have really young lids, you don't need to do that. But if you have older lids like me, if you go like this, you'll see where it used to be or where it should be. And then you come around on that bone above where that crease line is, and you've really contoured your bone quite well. The next brush I love is going to be this precision shadow brush. I have to admit, I copied this from a pretty well-known company that sells fabulous brushes also at triple the price, actually sometimes quadruple the price. But what I love about this brush is it's wide, but it's flat. It's very thin, if you can see. So what it does is you can take it on edge. So the brown tone that I'm wearing here, and the colors I'm using are from the Autumn Dreams palette that we have. I take it on edge and come under the eye, because I don't use pencil under my eye, and then I come around with it here on the flat side to give it the contour, so you can see that nice contour I've done. So on the edge here, then flat here to do it. And then sometimes you can even bring it right in here on the flat side to get it so you have the little bit of color in that front corner as well. I then take my small little shadow brush, and I love doing this because the color that's also from that Autumn Dreams palette is a color called Peach Quartz, which I love. And I use that color under the brow and in the center of the lid here. And this is a great little brush to get in through here and under the brow. And those are pretty much the eye brushes. I am going to go back to that brush that I started with, the Precision Powder Brush, that I do love for using for foundation, but I also love it for bronzer. So I take the color from my bronzer, always excess off on my hand. I start in here. I don't come in any closer than the end of my eye. So always, if you take two fingers, and know never to come in closer than that. So I come in, kind of make a little contour in here. I can even come a little around here, a little around onto my forehead like this, and give myself a nice shaping and a little bit more of an outdoors or contoured look. And lastly, I will take this brush, which is a blush brush. And again, it has the thinner hairs here with the thicker hairs here. And the reason I love that brush is because how many times do you put on blush and it looks too much? Well, this allows you to pick up the perfect amount of color by putting it in the powder, excess off on your hand, and you can smile, and on the apples of the cheek, add a little color and buff it in, and it will distribute the perfect amount of blush. So that's really an easy way to know how to use these brushes. If you need any extra help, please feel free to reach out to us. You know you can call us at 800-846-7727. You can email us, direct message us. We're here to help you, and I hope you enjoy the brushes because I think it's a really great set and it's a really great deal. So enjoy. Happy Mother's Day. I'd love to hear what you do for Mother's Day in something special to make your Mother's Day feel special this year. We certainly won't forget it.